All right, guys, what's going on? I'm Mr. K, and today is September 21st. It's a Monday, and this is your social studies lesson for the day. Um, in class, we chilled for the first 5 minutes while we waited for people to log on. I talked about the Mastery Connect test. If you've not completed this yet, please do so. It's a mastery grade. It's a pre-test, so you do not have to study. Just go and do your best. It's 20 questions, and you can find instructions on how to get onto Mastery Connect on the assignment posted on Google Classroom. Okay. The thing we worked on today in class is so we did CERCA practice for our history mystery assignment. So this is the assignment we worked on last week. A lot of you guys either didn't turn it in, or what you did turn in was not quite what I was looking for. So today in class we're going to be practicing what a good CERCA paragraph looks like. So the assignment looks like this. It says Lost Colony of Roanoke CERCA writing. I'm going to explain the instructions to you real quick, and then I'll let you guys work on your own. So instructions, it says read the CERCA examples below. The examples are labeled here, examples 1 through 6. Okay. Read the CERCA examples below. Number 2, check the provided rubric and try to figure out what is missing from the example. So this is the rubric. This is basically what I use to grade your work. Okay. So in each of the examples below, something from the rubric is missing. So I want you to figure out what that thing is. Number 3 says, after you have finished, check your history mystery assignment from last week. If it has been returned to you, or if you have not yet turned it in, complete the final 2 slides and turn it in by the end of the day on Tuesday. So to break that down, basically, if you didn't turn your assignment in from last week, I'm giving you another chance to complete the last 2 slides. The last 2 slides are the main part of the grade. It's the final summary and the final report. And the final report literally asks you to write a CERCA paragraph that uses this rubric. Okay, so if your example doesn't include all of this stuff, you're not going to get full points for it. Okay, I did grade your assignments over the weekend and this morning, and most of you I did end up returning your assignments to because there are improvements that you can make. Okay, so let's go through some practice things, and then you guys can work on that for the rest of the time. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the first couple. I'm going to read these out loud, and I'll go through the first one with you. Okay, so here we go. Answer the questions below. Example number 1. I think the settlers were attacked and wiped out by the Spanish. Source E shows that the Spanish were attacking English ships. Some other people might think that the settlers went to live with the natives. I disagree because source A shows that the natives and settlers had a violent relationship. All right, so that's our example 1. It says, use the rubric at the top of this assignment to figure out what is missing from the above paragraph. Type your answer in the box below. Okay, so we use the rubric. Does it have a claim? I think the settlers were attacked and wiped out by the Spanish. That's the claim right there. Evidence. Does it have evidence? Source E shows that the Spanish were attacking English ships. That is directly citing evidence. So that's good. Reasoning. Do you explain in your own words how your source led you to your claim about what happened at Roanoke? So basically your reasoning should explain your evidence and your claim. I don't see any reasoning here. It jumps directly to the counter argument. So example 1 is missing the reasoning section of it. So when it says type your answer in the box below, you would say this example is missing the reasoning section. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that's the first one. There are 6 total, so just go through these, find out what's missing or what's wrong with it, and type your answer into here. Make sure you hit the share button when you're editing this assignment. Don't do this in PDF mode. Hit the share so you're typing directly into Google Docs. Okay. That's all I got for today. When you finish this assignment, please turn it in, and then go back to your assignment from last week, the history mystery assignment, and work on the final summary and the final report, which are the last 2 slides, slides 19 and 20. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to be awesome.